Here we will discuss the use of subsidiary ledgers in an accounting information system. Subsidiary ledgers are used to keep track of individual balances, and two common types are accounts receivable and accounts payable. If you consider accounts receivable and accounts payable, the amounts that we record into these two accounts as transactions occur reflect transactions occurring with individual customers or suppliers. These are what we call control accounts. They control the total dollar amount of the accounts receivable the company is owed and the total dollar amount of accounts payable the company owes to others. However, those total balances reflect smaller balances existing from different customers. For example, accounts receivable may be comprised of 3 different customers. The total dollar amount of accounts payable owed reflects amount owed to 3 different creditors. If we were to look at the balance of accounts receivable in the general ledger, we would see that this company has a total debit balance of $4,000, reflecting customers owe the company $4,000. If we did not keep track of the details of who owed those amounts, we would not be able to keep track and collect from those that owe. Thus, we keep a subsidiary ledger, and you can kind of think of it as a side ledger. It's not actually part of the general ledger, but it is a side ledger that keeps track of the details of the total. So here we are seeing those 3 customers that owe the company money. Aaron Company owes $2,000. Brandon had owed $3,000 but had paid it off, currently owes nothing. And Karen Company now owes $2,000. And the important thing to remember is that subsidiary ledgers are separate from the general ledger. The advantage of using a subsidiary ledger is it shows a single account transaction affecting one customer or one creditor. We always know what any one customer owes to the company or how much we owe to any one particular creditor. It keeps the general ledger free of excessive details. It does help us track errors to individual accounts, and it makes it possible a division of labor.